Before you head out of town on vacation this summer, think about installing one of the best smart locks in your house. That's because a smart lock makes it easy to let in the dog walker or cat sitter without having to lend them a spare key. A smart lock lets you create virtual keys and time-sensitive passcodes, so you control who can get into your house, and when. It can also alert you whenever your door is locked and unlocked. And, smart locks can also connect to other smart home devices, so when you open your door, it can send a signal to turn on your smart lights and change your thermostat. And, if you link it to Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, you can ask those services to lock your door on your way out. The Wyze Lock uses your door's existing keyed cylinder, deadbolt, and latch assembly. It comes with an interior escutcheon, a plug-in gateway module, 4 AA batteries, a mounting plate, 3 tailpiece adapters, and a quick start guide. The main component, the interior escutcheon, sports a minimalist design with a nice brushed aluminum finish. It measures 4.9 by 2.5 by 1.3 inches and has a round 2-inch wide thumb turn at the bottom and a tiny LED at the top. The LED will flash green during setup, glow solid green when the door is locked or unlocked, and turn solid red when it fails to lock or unlock. The lock runs on 4 AA batteries that can be installed by removing the magnetic faceplate. It has embedded Bluetooth and Zigbee radios, but lacks a Wi-Fi radio. Instead, it uses the included plug-in Wi-Fi gateway module to connect to your home network. The puck-shaped gateway is 2.2 inches wide and 1.2 inches thick. It has a pairing button on its side and an LED indicator on the top that flashes blue and red during setup, flashes blue when connecting to the lock, and turns solid green when successfully connected and working properly. A flashing red light indicates a Wi-Fi connection issue. The base of the gateway has a 2-prong plug for a standard wall outlet. The Wyze Lock doesn't yet support Alexa and Google Voice commands, nor does it support IFT applets to allow it to interact with other smart devices, although all 3 features are on the roadmap. Oddly, the lock doesn't interact with other Wyze devices such as cameras, sensors, and light bulbs. The Array by Hampton lock comes in 2 styles and a variety of finishes. The Cooper style sent to us for testing sports a modern look with rounded corners and smooth edges, while the Barrington style has crown molding edges. Both are available in polished chrome, satin nickel, or Tuscan bronze finishes. The metal-clad exterior escutcheon has a solid, durable feel. It measures 5.4 by 2.7 by 0.8 inches and sports a round keyway on the bottom, just below a one-touch lock button. The top half of the lock contains a panel that slides up to reveal a 10-button backlit keypad with metal buttons. The front of the sliding panel contains a solar panel that will charge the lock's battery pack when it's exposed to direct sunlight. The interior escutcheon is also metal and measures 6.8 by 2.7 by 2.0 inches. It has a thumb turn knob on the bottom half, and the top has a removable panel that covers the battery pack and the antenna for the embedded 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio. The rechargeable battery pack can receive power using the included charging cradle or with the solar panel. You can lock and unlock the Array using Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, but it doesn't work with Siri voice commands or support Apple HomeKit, nor does it work with IFT applets that allow it to interact with third-party smart devices. As with the Schlage Sense Lock, the Encode offers a choice of 2 trim styles, the Chiseled Century and the Curvier Camelot. You can order it with a matte black or a satin nickel finish. This is a complete lock assembly that includes a deadbolt latch mechanism, a weatherproof exterior keypad escutcheon, an interior escutcheon, 4 AA batteries, assorted mounting hardware, a backup key, and a quick start guide. The lock fits doors that are between 1/3 and 1/3 inches thick and uses the standard 2 1/8 inch lock set hole and 1 inch latch hole. The exterior escutcheon measures 5.0 by 3.0 by 0.9 inches and has a keyway for use with a physical key and a 12-button capacitive touchscreen keypad with 0 to 9 buttons, a lock button, and a house icon that flashes a blue check mark when a correct code is entered. If you enter an incorrect code, the house icon will flash a red X mark. A beep accompanies each complete code entry. The interior escutcheon measures 5.5 by 3.0 by 2.2 inches and contains a thumbscrew knob for manual locking and unlocking. Beneath a removable cover are a battery compartment for 4 AA batteries, a pairing button, an embedded 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio, and a tamper alarm. Unlike the remote lock Open Edge RG, the Encode doesn't require a cloud subscription to add users and to view the lock's activity history. You can generate up to 100 permanent, recurring, or temporary access codes and schedule specific start and end dates and times, and you can have the app send a push alert that tells you when the lock is locked and unlocked and by whom. The Halo Touch is designed for doors that are 1/3 to 2 inches in thickness. A stylish lock, it comes in a sleek contemporary design or a curved traditional design. It's a full lock assembly that comes with interior and exterior escutcheons, a deadbolt latch and strike, a mounting plate and mounting hardware, 4 AA batteries, a pair of keys, and a quick start guide. The exterior escutcheon measures 4.0 by 2.9 by 0.9 inches and has a keyway, a fingerprint scanner, and an LED bar that glows green when the door is successfully unlocked, orange when locking, and red when an unsuccessful unlock occurs. The interior escutcheon measures 5.7 by 2.7 by 2.0 inches with the cover. It has a thumb turn knob, a status LED, and a removable black panel that gives you access to the removable battery caddy, 2 setup buttons, and a programming button. Under the hood is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio and a Bluetooth radio. The Halo Touch uses the same Kwikset mobile app as the Halo Wi-Fi smart lock. It opens to a My Home screen that displays the name of the lock and when it was last updated. In the center of the screen is a circle with a lock icon in the middle. When the lock is locked, the circle is red and the lock icon is locked, and when the lock is unlocked, the circle is green and the icon is unlocked. Tap the circle to lock and unlock the door. Off to the upper right are battery level and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth indicators, and down below are people, history, and settings buttons. As with every other August lock, the Wi-Fi smart lock replaces your existing interior thumb turn mechanism and uses the rest of your existing lock hardware, including the keys. It has the same puck-shaped design as previous generations, but at 2.8 by 1.8 inches, it's noticeably smaller. The lock comes in matte black or silver and sports a textured grip around the outer edge and a removable magnetic faceplate with a backlit August logo status indicator. To operate it manually, simply turn the lock to the left or to the right. The back contains 2 wing latches that secure the lock to the mounting plate, and a reset button. Under the hood are a Bluetooth radio and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio. The built-in Wi-Fi is what sets this lock apart from the previous iterations of August locks, which all require a bridge to connect to your home network. The lock is powered by 2 CR123 batteries, which, under normal conditions, are only expected to last up to 3 months before requiring replacement, so be sure to lay in a good supply of spare batteries. Also included in the box are a mounting plate, an optional mounting cover plate for thinner doors, 4 tailpiece adapters, a strip of adhesive tape, a door sensor, and a quick start guide. August locks have always played nice with other smart home devices and the Wi-Fi smart lock is no different. You can lock and unlock it using the August mobile app or with the Apple HomeKit app, and you can create HomeKit automations and scenes.